Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating one notebook named Research and keep it synced to OneDrive. Create 3 sections for each project phase: notes, sources, drafts, and use section groups. Add pages for each article or book and apply a simple template for title, date, and citation fields. Customize the right pane layout to show page versions and history for provenance. Create a consistent tag list for key items and use Tag Summary to review tasks and highlights. Use the OneNote web clipper to save web pages as full page or article. Paste bibliographic metadata at the top of each source page: author, year, title, URL, and access date. When you import PDFs, insert them as printouts and highlight quoted text directly on the page. Use the searchable OCR for images and scan pages to find quoted phrases quickly. Tag quotes with a custom tag like source quote and include page or paragraph numbers for retrieval. Organize evidence by searching tags and using the search tool to assemble related notes. Build an outline on a new page and drag linked source pages into the outline for quick reference. Draft your manuscript in the Drafts section and keep active citations linked to original source pages. Use page links to jump between drafts and sources while editing. When finished, export selected pages to Word or PDF and copy formatted citations into your bibliography.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.